So your record power WG250 whetstone sharpening system comes in a box. It also comes in component pieces. So let's open the box, take a look at what's inside and see how it all fits together. So here we've got our WG250. You can see it's already come assembled with the honing wheel. We've got a water trough. We've got our 10-inch grinding wheel. We've got a stone grading tool that has a coarse side and a fine side. I've got an angle finder. I've got an angle setting gauge. I've got a straight edge jig, a support arm. This is a metal polishing compound. You need that for your honing wheel. And here we have the record power instruction manual.